I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select Webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose request payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Connects-It dashboard. Create Connects-It. Search and drop webhook. Copy the webhook URL and capture the webhook responses, then paste it on the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your Connects-It site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.